Hello friends, welcome in Comstar. In this channel, you will get all videos related to OCM, that means Organization of Commerce and Management. But most of videos we generally use in our general life as well as in our organization also. So, as we discuss the nature of principle of management, it can be said that management principles are applicable everywhere. They are guiding the manager, so it is important for every manager to know them. So let's start importance, or we can say significance of management principles. So the first importance of management principle is provides useful insight to managers. The principle of management helps the manager to understand the organization. The study of the principle helps to improve the understanding of the situation and problems. It further helps the manager to find out the solutions to the problems and handle situations. Management principles are an outcome of the experience of various professional people. The use of this principle is helping managers about the manner in which he should act in different situations. This type of timely guidance reduces the wastage of resources and the goals can be achieved in appropriate manner. That's why management principle is so much important. Second importance of management principle, helpful in efficient utilization of resources. In every organization, two types of resources are used, that is physical resources and human resources. The basic function of management is to make proper balance between these resources by putting them to optimum use and control on wastage of resources. While maintaining discipline and healthy working environment, management always uses techniques and principles. It helps in establishing cordial relations between management and employees, which increase the efficiency level of employees and also affect the effective administration. For example, use of standard tools and machinery help in increasing quality or productivity as well as in increasing level of efficiency of human resources. Third importance of management principle is scientific decision. In business organization, a scientific decision means systematic or balanced decision. Principles train the manager to handle critical situation tactfully, otherwise the manager have to work always with trial and error method. With the use of various management principles, one can get an idea about how to analyze the situation, to research alternative options and their results also. Fourth important, understanding social responsibilities. Management principles are based on every aspects of organization. They are not developed only from viewpoint of handling the resources effectively, but they guide management in understanding social responsibility of organization so that they can focus on providing quality products at reasonable price, avoiding artificial monopolistic situation in market. Fair competition, fair remuneration, change in environment, healthy working place, standard tools and machinery, etc. Fifth importance is encourages research and development. It means R&D. Principle of management are dynamic. Their nature goes on changing along with the changes in the business world. Over the years, they have developed to suit the current need. It enables the manager to bring consistent improvement in them. Management adopt new trends at working place automatically. These guidelines help management to make comparison of huge principle with its expected outcome. If needed, management can modify the principles according to situation as the management is having liberty to take the decision at their own. The training help in developing scientific approach towards research and development and growth and development of organization. For example, R&D department always work on finding new techniques in the field of production, finance, marketing, human resources, etc. Sixth important, help to coordinate and control. Management principles are guidelines for better coordinations and control. It is very challenging to create coordination and cooperation among different employees working in different departments. It is also a difficult task for manager to keep control on the performance of employees. So management principles offer suitable system while establishing coordination and control. Seventh importance, develops objective approach. With the help of various principles of management, one can develop an objective approach. Managers can identify the business opportunities, root causes of the problem in current manner, and can provide appropriate solution on it. It builds confidence in the mind of the managers. By this way, we have completed the importance of management principle. So for principle of management, please check our next video. If you like video, please click on like button, subscribe the channel and don't forget to hit bell icon. Thank you.